our NoHo First family. So this is going to be a sample of our Easter baskets of hope that we'll be giving to residents at the Chandler Tiny Home Village. So if you take a look, they're going to get this basket, which I think will be great for them to use like if they're going to the shower or whatever. It's plastic, it's sturdy. Inside we have lots of fun things. A whole box of facial tissue, a whole bottle of 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. They have a whole bottle of shower gel. They have their own hairbrush. They have their own washcloths, 2 washcloths. There are also chapstick. There's a pair of socks. There's deodorant. There are packs of Q-tip cotton swabs. There are little dentist sticks for flossing. They have a toothbrush. They have nail clipper and file. They have, what else? There's so many fun things. Oh, 2 tubes of toothpaste. There's a notepad and a pen just for notes and writing because they're going to be getting like job placement programs, things like that. There's also, I'm going to make not sure I missed anything, also a little bag of goodies right next to the toothbrush. Letting them know to brush their teeth. And then I think that is it. But look, isn't that amazing? It's full of so many things. And then we're going to wrap it up like an Easter package. And then they'll get a little note that says especially for you from your friends at First United Methodist Church in North Hollywood. And thank you to everyone that donated. You're so generous.